Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Samsung S23 Ultra versus iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's see the detail of in-hand feel. Let's see the detail of display. Let's discuss about camera. Let's start with the Samsung S23 Ultra camera. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 200 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 12 megapixel or telephoto of 10 megapixel and laser autofocus. Let's discuss about iPhone 14 Pro Max. Its have primary camera come with 48 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 12 megapixel or telephoto also 12 megapixel and its have a price. Samsung S23 Ultra come around 92,000 of $1,170 of 12GB RAM or 14 Pro Max come around 88,000 of $1,219 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. Design wise both the phone have good looking design. Display are also good on both the phone. Camera is also better on both the phone. Hardware is better on 12 Pro Max. Connectivity are almost same and charging is better on S23 Ultra and price is good on iPhone 14 Pro Max. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.